वेलकम गैस। आज फिर से लेके आ चुके हैं आरआरबी नर्सिंग सुपरिंटेंडेंट की एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन पार्ट 3। तो प्लीज़ पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, पूरा वीडियो देखिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, हाउ मेनी यूनियन टेरिटोरीज हैव रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन राज्यसभा? ऑप्शन ए 2, ऑप्शन बी 6, ऑप्शन सी 4, ऑप्शन डी 1 एंड द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए 2. The correct answer is 2. Key point: Union Territories representation. First one, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Rajya Sabha nil and Lok Sabha 1. Chandigarh, Rajya Sabha nil, Lok Sabha 1. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Rajya Sabha nil, Lok Sabha 1. Daman and Diu, Rajya Sabha nil, Lok Sabha 1. Delhi, Rajya Sabha 3, Lok Sabha 7. Lakshadweep, Rajya Sabha nil, Lok Sabha 1 and Pondicherry, Rajya Sabha 1, Lok Sabha 1. Next question, question number 22. Which one of the following is second line drug for tuberculosis? Option A rifampicin, option B ethambutol, option C amikacin, option D isoniazid. And the right answer is option C amikacin. Amikacin has the highest potential to cause ototoxicity among aminoglycoside antibiotics. It comes under the second line drug for the treatment of tuberculosis. Treatment for TB disease. When TB bacteria becomes active, multiplying in the body, and the immune system can't stop the bacteria from growing, this is called TB disease. TB disease will make a person sick. People with TB disease may spread the bacteria to people with whom they spend many hours. It is very important that people who have the TB disease are treated, finish the medicine and take the drugs exactly as prescribed. If they stop taking the drugs too soon, they can become sick again. If they do not take the drugs correctly, the TB bacteria that are still alive may become resistant of these drugs. मतलब कोई टीबी डिजीज़ का अगर ड्रग लेना बंद कर देता है कुछ दिन, तो टीबी उसमें रेजिस्टेंस हो जाता है, मतलब वो ड्रग लेने से भी वो टीबी कम नहीं होता है. टीबी दैट इज रेजिस्टेंट टू ड्रग इज हार्डर एंड मोर एक्सपेंसिव टू ट्रीट. टीबी डिजीज कैन बी ट्रीटेड बाय टेकिंग सेवरल ड्रग्स फॉर 6 to 9 months. Our next question, question number 23. The ratio of the number of girls to boys in a school of 3,240 students is 35:37. How many more girls should be admitted to make the ratio 1:1? Option A 90, option B 100, option C 70, option D 80. And the right answer is option A 90. Explanation: if the total student is 3,240, the ratio of the girl to boy of the school is 35:37. Concept: if A and B are in ratio, then A is to be equal to A by B. Calculation: let us assume the girl and boy in the school be 35x and 37x respectively, and number of girls admitted be x. The sum of the boys and girls equal 3,240. So 35x plus 37x equal 3,240, or 72x equal 3,240, or x equal to 45. Now we can assume the number of the girls is 35 into x equal 35 into 45 equal 1,575, and the number of the boys is 3,240 minus 1,575 equal to 1,665, or the boys number is 37x, 37 into 45 equal 1,665. Our next question, question number 24. The surgical removal of the anterior eye along with a part of the optic nerve is termed as: option A keratomycesis, option B enucleation, option C keratotomy, option D vitreoretinal surgery. And the right answer is option B enucleation. Enucleation is the removal of the anterior eye along with the parts of the optic nerve. So option 2 is right answer, and the process is oldest form of surgery in ophthalmology. In the present era, the alternative surgeries for eye removal of evisceration, which is removal of only content of eyes and leaving behind the sclera, excleration. Indication of excleration: First one, intraocular malignancy like trauma without visual potential, blind and painful eyes, severe infection without visual potential, sympathetic ophthalmia, and microphthalmas. And one more additional information, Pantone eye symptoms or syndromes is the Pantone eye pain, visual hallucination after removal of the eye. Next question, question number 25. What is the other term for recovery from an illness? Option A, rationalization. Option B, reaction formation. Option C, regression. Option D, remission. And the right answer is option D, remission. Concept. A term used for recovery from illness is known as remission. It is also the temporary or permanent reduction in the symptoms. And type of remission. There is the two types of remission, partial remission and complete remission. Partial remission is called when partially symptoms go, and complete remission, this is also called full remission when all the signs and symptoms completely go away. For both type of remission, the condition may last for at least 1 month or duration. Our next question, question number 26. The process by which ADP phosphorylated by PI means inorganic phosphate to ATP in the electrons transport chain is known as. The option A, oxidative phosphorylation. Option B, oxygenesis. Option C, hydroperoxidases. Option D, oxidases. And the right answer is option A, oxidative phosphorylation. Phosphorylation refers to a process of addition of a phosphate group to a compound by reacting with inorganic phosphate or transfer of phosphate group from another organic phosphate. And oxidative phosphorylation is a metabolic pathway by which ATP is formed as result of phosphorylation reaction from ADP. It forms an important part of cellular respiratory system and is vital for energy production. Cellular respiration starts with glycolysis in the cytoplasm, where glucose molecules are broken down to form pyruvate, ATP and NADH. And pyruvate goes into the TCA cycle, which takes place in mitochondrial matrix to produce NADH and FADH2. Our next question is question number 27. The removal of tissue from the pleural space is known as option A, liver biopsy, option B, lungs biopsy, option C, spleen biopsy, option D, pleural biopsy. And the right answer is option D, pleural biopsy. A pleural biopsy is a procedure to take a small piece of pleura to check for any cancerous growth. The site for aspiration is 10 cm lateral to the spine at 1 to 2 intercostal space. A biopsy is the removal of tissue from any parts of the body to examination or examine it for the disease. Some may remove a small tissue sample with a needle, while others may surgically remove a suspicious nodules or lump. Most needle biopsies are performed on an outpatient basis with minimal preparation. Our next question, question number 28. The pacemaker of the heart is characterized by option A, arch of aorta, option B, bundle of His, option C, AV node, option D, SA node. And the right answer is option D, SA node. SA node is the natural pacemaker of the heart due to its ability to generate the electrical impulses. It plays an important role in the conduction system of an heart. It generates 60 to 100 electrical stimuli per minute in a normal condition. Key point. The sinoatrial node is a group of cells located in the wall of the right atrium of the heart. It is a node of muscle located on the lateral wall of the right auricle of the heart. Its function is to generate the conduction. Our next question, question number 29. The important characteristics of a primary group is option A, indirect communication, option B, impersonal relationship, option C, voluntary membership, option D, face-to-face contact. And the right answer is option D, face-to-face contact. As a primary group is a small group and the people of this group mainly have face-to-face information. Primary groups are the groups of people who have closely related to each other. They are emotionally connected with each other and share a basic life rules with each others. They share the decision of each others and mutual respect and understanding play an important role in the primary group. People in the primary group are connected in may way like thought, attitude and emotion. Today our last question, question number 30. What is the symbols of element tungsten? Option A T, option B WN, option C TN, option D W. And the right answer is option D W. Concepts, elements and their symbols. An element is a naturally occurring pure substance made of the same type of atoms. They have identical nuclei consisting of the same number of protons. There are 118 elements found in the nature and are arranged in a table according to their atomic number, known as the periodic table. The elements are represented by their symbols. Each element has a unique symbol and some of symbols are derived from their Latin names such as Au for gold from aurum, Pb for the lead from plumbum. The periodic table shows us all the elements and their symbols. आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलने के लिए ज़रूर कमेंट कीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर अपडेट ऑफ न्यू वीडियोस. थैंक यू.